If you want to move data from your USB flash drive to your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the other way around, then in that case, once you connect to your flash drive, you should be able to go to the app drawer, then proceed to the Samsung folder, and over here you want to open the My Files app. Now, if you want to transfer something from, let's say, our phone to the USB device, you can first find that file in here, so you can use these categories that we have at the top, or you can just go through your internal storage, depending how you prefer, of course. So let's say I'm gonna go to images and I'm gonna transfer some example files in here. So I'm gonna press and hold my finger to select a couple of files, and then once you select everything that you want to transfer, over here at the bottom we can use the move option in the bottom left corner. Now, since I'm transferring from the internal storage to my flash drive, here at the top I need to find my USB storage, and then I need to decide where I want these files to be saved. So I'm gonna choose this folder, for example, and then I can use Move Here option at the bottom of the screen. And there we go, after a couple of seconds it should be done. So now I have moved my files from my phone to the USB flash drive. And if you want to do this the other way around, if you want to transfer something from the flash drive to your phone, then in the same app you can just go to the USB storage. Unfortunately, in this case we have to go through the whole storage and look for your files through these folders. And then once you find your files, you just have to do pretty much exactly the same thing. So we're gonna select all files, choose Move in the bottom left corner, and of course this time, since we are transferring from the USB storage to our phone, here at the top I need to choose the internal storage. Then I can once again decide where I want these files to be saved, and then I can use Move Here option. So that's about it. Leave a like and subscribe.